Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for natural remedies to grow your hair faster, stronger, and healthier, you've probably heard of rice water. But does it really work? And how do you make it the right way for the best results? Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to make rice water for hair growth, how to use it correctly, and the science-backed benefits it brings to your scalp and strands. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a pro tip most people miss that could make or break your rice water results. So, what exactly is rice water? Rice water is simply the starchy water that's left after soaking or boiling rice. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. This cloudy liquid is packed with amino acids, vitamins B and E, minerals, and antioxidants that can nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair. It's been used for centuries, especially by the Yao women in China, who are famous for having hair that grows up to 6 feet long and stays dark and strong well into their old age. Their secret? Regularly rinsing their hair with fermented rice water. Benefits of rice water for hair growth. 1. Strengthens hair strands. Rice water is packed with inositol, a carbohydrate that helps repair damaged hair and strengthens strands from within. This means less breakage during styling or detangling, which is a common struggle for many. Stronger strands also mean you can retain more of the length you grow, rather than losing it to split ends and breakage. Over time, consistent use helps create a stronger hair shaft that's more resistant to damage from heat or manipulation. Many people notice their hair feels thicker and more resilient after just a few weeks of using rice water. 2. Promotes hair growth. The amino acids and vitamins in rice water provide the scalp with nutrients needed for healthy growth. These nutrients feed the hair follicles, encouraging them to remain in the growing anagen phase longer. Improved blood circulation to the scalp, which rice water can stimulate during massages, also boosts growth. If you've struggled with thinning edges or slow growth, rice water can give your follicles a natural push. Over time, you may notice new baby hairs or increased thickness at your roots. 3. Reduces shedding and breakage. Because rice water helps to strengthen the cuticle, it reduces the amount of shedding and breakage you may experience. This is especially helpful for natural hair or chemically treated hair that can be more fragile. By sealing the cuticle, rice water prevents moisture loss, which keeps strands from snapping. Less shedding means more hair stays on your head, helping you reach your length goals faster. Many people report seeing fewer hairs on their pillow, comb, or shower after incorporating rice water into their routine. 4. Adds shine and smoothness. Rice water can leave your hair looking shinier and feeling smoother after regular use. This is because it helps smooth down the outer layer of the hair, making it more reflective. Smooth strands also reduce frizz, which makes styling easier and results in a sleeker look. If your hair often feels dry or dull, rice water can restore vibrancy without heavy products. Some even say their hair looks like it has a natural glow or mirror shine after a rinse. 5. Improves elasticity. Elasticity is what helps your hair stretch without breaking, and rice water is known to improve this. Improved elasticity means your curls bounce back better after being stretched. This prevents breakage during detangling, braiding, or twisting. Hair that's more elastic is less likely to form knots and tangles. Over time, this reduces mechanical damage, making your hair much healthier overall. Now let's move into the part you've been waiting for: how to make rice water the right way. There are two main methods: soaking and fermentation. How to number 1, soaking, quick method. Rinse 1 cup of uncooked rice thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Place the clean rice in a bowl and add 2 to 3 cups of water. Stir and let it sit for 30 minutes. Strain the water into a clean jar or bottle. This gives you rice water that's ready to use the same day. How to number 2, fermented rice water, stronger traditional method. Follow the same steps to rinse and soak the rice. This time, leave the rice water in a jar at room temperature for 24-48 hours. Once it has a slightly sour smell, it's fermented. Store it in the refrigerator and it will last up to a week. Quick note: fermented rice water is more potent, so if you have sensitive scalp or protein-sensitive hair, dilute it with plain water before using. Okay, so you've made your rice water. How do you actually use it for hair growth? As a rinse. After shampooing, pour rice water over your scalp and hair. Massage gently, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse with plain water. As a spray. Put rice water into a spray bottle and mist it directly onto your scalp and strands between wash days. As a leave-in, diluted, mix rice water with aloe vera or plain water and lightly spritz as a leave-in conditioner. Pro tips: always use rice water 1-2 times a week max. Overuse can lead to protein overload, making your hair stiff or dry. Do a patch test if you have a sensitive scalp. Combine rice water with a good deep conditioner to balance moisture and protein. And remember, consistency is key. You won't see overnight miracles, but within a few weeks, many people notice thicker, stronger, and healthier hair. So there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to make rice water for hair growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural hair care tips, and share this video with someone who's looking to grow their hair naturally. Have you ever tried rice water before? Comment below and let me know your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!